After 10 long years, Mamelodi Sundowns are the kings of African football once again. What does that mean? Mamelodi Sundowns will be the first South African team to have that second star on their badge. Congratulations to the Masanda Wana faithful. Congratulations to everybody who's involved with that club. They've been wanting that second star. They've been for years. But Coach Rulani, they've tried. Coach Manqoba Bazamile, even Coach Pito tried to put that second star on their badge. But a man from Portugal, Coach Mikel Cardoso, is the guy to put that second star on the badge for Mamelodi Sundowns. The tournament in Zim we win. I have to say this. This is one tournament that I respect. I respect Mamelodi Sundowns for getting over the line. The tournament in Zim. Special mention to Tebogo Mokoena. I've never seen this boy run the way he did. Sele Mudau, what a performance. Kulumani Ndamani. Special mention because everybody wasn't sure about his performance namhlanje, but I think usiphamisile isandla wabona ukuthi amaphutha akhe uwafundile bafethu. What a performance. But collectively bafethu, Mamelodi Sundowns, they've been working towards getting that second star on their badge, and finally they've gotten it bafethu. Sazobala bafethu mara le tournament inzima. Salute.
Abuyelo Masandawana ayindala engihlale ngisho labantu badala bafana kakhulu. Mamelodi Sundowns are the CAF Champions League champions 25-26 season. The second star is finally here. Uke wabona uthi ushaya i-hate watch. Uqinisa usupport ukuthi fuck yafana yikho lento engiyenzayo.
That's what I did.
Ayikho nje into engiyenzayo. Sizobe sinamanga uma sithi abasideserve le star list. Well deserved star. Kade benqonqoza emnyango. They reached the final last year. They couldn't win it. But this year they were able to bag it. Congratulations to Sundowns. Bese kuba ile ndoda le. Don Cardoso. Malume. When it comes to Champions League football, Malume kakhulu. It's not a fluke that he reached 3 Champions League finals in a row. Didn't win the first 2, one with Esperance, the other one with Sundowns last season, and this time he is able to bag it with Sundowns. Malume kakhulu Don Cardoso. Last week after I watched the first leg of this final, I came here and I said, lezi ngathi azikho mnandi lezi. Kwaba khona abantu abathi no, said it's not that abekho mnandi, but they were playing away. Maybe when they are playing home, uzobona ukuthi no, lezi ivuthiwe. And when I was watching this game, I could see ukuthi bona bayalazi shem. Bayalazi Mbijani. But i-performance yabo, it was not wow. It was not wow. I don't know if I'm making sense. Bekungasi performance ekhomba ukuthi abantu laba bazoyithatha lento le. Because these guys only created 2 big opportunities kule game le. And the only chance that they scored was a penalty. In fact, they got 2 penalties. Lele linye ngathi umgunyathi. Lele linye. And when I look at ama stats ale game le, Sundowns is not really far off from AS FAR. In every metric, they are not far off. Because I would have expected AS FAR will come at Sundowns. Lots of shots at goal, lot of box entries. But in diver, and they were trying to put on those crosses into the box, but those crosses were not successful because Undaman and Cupido bebangenhla kakhulu kule game le. So mina engizokusho nje ukuthi le AS FAR le yakhona, they deserve to be beaten. They deserve to. Ayikho lentala abantu. Azikho mnandi ngaleyo ndlela bizi.
You can literally never write a better script than this. You can never write a better script than South African football in 2025-26 season. You can never. Orlando Pirates dominating domestic football. Mamelodi Sundowns dominating the African football. You cannot write a better script than what we just witnessed in 2025-26 season. You can never. Orlando Pirates wins in MTN 8. It wins a Black Label Cup. They win a league, giving them a domestic treble after a very long time. And then Mamelodi Sundowns says, fine, just close that out. We are going to take Estasis 2 We are going to show you who we are. Mamelodi Sundowns doesn't care about domestic football. I told you this before, and I said it. They don't care about domestic football. They don't care about African football. They only care about going out there and playing a Club World Cup. That's what they care about more than anything. This is the best season as South Africa as a whole ever. This is the best script. Beauty. Beauty. Beauty.
Yini madoda bese ngizithi iphele kahle lesizini. Intoni ngokuyenzwa leyenzwa iASFAR. Wayebanika iplay 1 ipenalty kayi 2. Ukorile la muntu mozwathetwa wamecaleni wayebenganika omnye. Iwazi nje baxelela ndithi nika nomnye abandivu abandihoyanga banika umuntu oyi1. Obvious ugoalkeeper umkhobela mosukhabela kweliphicala naye angatshintsha ukhabela kwakwelicala. Andiyazi ke leyenzekayo ngo iSundowns ngoku izaba nestars esibini before iPirates ngo mara kusitwa masisupport iSundowns ngoba xa idlala kwiCAF irepresent iSouth Africa. Andisupport iSundowns mina ndisupport iPirates mina ndisupport Roto bandifuna isupport. Andisupport iSundowns. No. Ibuhlungu ke kodwa lento yenzekileyo. Mna ndingulamntu mna ongoneliyo mna ndinyolukile noba iikhapu ziyaphuphuma ngapha kuPirates ndifuna urhobo uba kwenzeka ntoni ngapha kwaSundowns. Kaloku into yestar ayifani into yestar yenyinto into yestar. And ayikho le nto ukuthi hayi ii-supporters zeSundowns azithethi ziyathetha ii-supporters zeSundowns sesistar sizongxolelwa ngawo sesizulala thina sesistar sesibini. Ziyathetha zonke ii-supporters zine-airtime zonke ziyathetha.
Getting a star is not easy. Our getting a star is not easy. Pella, some of us will not survive under those conditions. Some of our teams, hey, those conditions are tough. The fans are always booing at every decision. They're throwing bottles. The ref is being influenced. There's a lot going on. There's a lot going on. Mamelodi Sundowns mentality monsters. The 10-year wait is over. The star is coming home to South Africa. Mamelodi Sundowns, congratulations. This is tough. Mamelodi Sundowns, my heart was beating. I don't even support this team. I was stressing. Hey, Williams, man, Williams can stretch you sometimes. But Williams, well done. What to say, Williams? You redeemed yourself. Mrembula yena, yo. Sis. You Mrembula, how half volley. Under those conditions, pressure conditions, you keep your cool. But yo, that goal, sis. Sundowns are crazy. Hey, but at the gameplay, they just could not find each other. But sometimes, not beautiful football doesn't win you tournaments. Ugly football wins. They were surviving Sundowns. Sundowns survived on onslaught of ASFAR. And they scored from a penalty. Besides that, nothing else. Penalty after penalty. What a stressful game, Mamelodi Sundowns. But you know what? Enough of the talk. A star is coming to South Africa. They are now the #1 ranked team in Africa. Mamelodi Sundowns, officially the best team in Africa. Congratulations, Mamelodi Sundowns. I'm just happy to know and see that there's a South African team there. We must be respected. We must travel around Africa and be respected. Sundowns has given us that voice so we can be loud in African football. Sundowns, well done, guys. Ugly match. I don't like this thing of North Africans always running to the ref on every decision, everything. They're always crying. Hey, what a match, man. What a stressful match. This was a cup final. You could feel the tension while watching the game. You can just feel things were stressful the whole game. Hey, what a match. I'm Mamelodi Sundowns. Congratulations. Gabriel.
What a beautiful hate watch. Beautiful. Watching your rivals lose the Champions League final. It doesn't get better. It does not get better than that. Sundowns, congratulations, bro. Congratulations, bro. 2 penalties in one match and you couldn't win, bro. 2 penalties in one match and you couldn't win the Champions League in your own home, bro. And your own home, bro. The one time I support South Africa, they finally did a little something. They finally did a little something, bro. Usually they just lose semifinals. They don't really make finals like that, bro. You know what I'm talking about? So they just lose semis. Club level Sundowns have been very good, bro. They've been very good, bro. But I'm talking about the national team, bro. Nah. There might not be a better feeling in life than watching your team or your rival's team, bro, work all that hard at home, get all the way to the final on the biggest stage and lose, bro. Oh, dreams. I'm telling you, this is what dreams are. This is what dreams are made of. Papa.
They have done it. They have done it. Mamelodi Sundowns are African champions again. I think 10 years on from the last time when they did it against Zamalek. They've done it again against Asfair. Now, I've got to be honest, guys. I was wrong. I thought Asfair were going to get a penalty in this game. I was wrong. They got 2. But VAR can never take away the ability of Ronwen Williams, the best goalkeeper on the continent, the best penalty saver. You saw that in the AFCON in Ivory Coast on the continent. Williams is Africa's best goalie by far. No one can chat to him. What a save from Rimet, who took the pen again. Let's talk about these pens, by the way. Like the first one, Lunga is giving the ref a decision to make. It's a sloppy mistake. But you know if you give any of those 50-50 decisions in this final, they're going to go Morocco's way. How have Morocco, again, lost a final in this stadium with a missed penalty given by VAR? Like, it's a bad luck charm for these Moroccans, this ground, this Prince Malai. 70,000, you're missing pens and losing finals twice now. But Williams, unbelievable. There's going to be players here with hopefully a World Cup to go to afterwards. Of course, you've got Mokoena. What a goal from Teboho Mokoena. What a strike just before half-time. The perfect time to score. That was unreal. But it's Sundowns time. Obviously, that Mokoena equaliser settled the nerves. Asfair needed to score twice. They got the pen. They missed it because Williams saved it. And they weren't going to get 3 pens. That would have been ridiculous. It was feisty. There was lots of yellow cards for both teams. But Sundowns have done it. And they, of course, once again take their place in the next FIFA Club World Cup. Well done, Sundowns.
Please, let me just focus on today. Before today's match, Domi, this is not me being proud or anything, but guy, make it make sense now. FAR Rabat and Mamelodi Sundowns are not on the same level. I understand that the Botola League, they have not lost a match. But you can't do that with number 1 in Africa. Before today's match, before this month, it has been declared that Mamelodi Sundowns are number 1 in Africa. And they have met FAR Rabat. See, FAR Rabat played today, right? More like a 50-50 game. The reason why they play this match, they say, Sundowns say, Mo just release ball, let them just play small. Habibi Sundowns say, see, you see this match, we want to play as Sundowns. Play our ball as Sundowns. Guy, this match will not end by draw. Nothing will make this game to end by draw. In as much as, yes, me and my family predicted that this match will end by draw. Yes, it has ended by draw. But guys, there are levels to this. Sundowns and Asfair are not on the same level. We saw it today. Yes, they scored that goal, the first goal, their only goal of this time, remarks the penalty 40th minute. But then, we saw Mokoena. The kind of hits that he hits. Same Mokoena. Nothing changed. Give him the ball, he sees the space, he smashes it, and he smashed it. Only eight touches in the 18-yard box. Sundowns say, make una play the ball, ya carry and play. They had almost 40, if not 38, touches in the half of Sundowns. But still, Sundowns came victorious. Even at the point when one will be, let's say, scared, 77th minute, right? 77th minute when that PK happened. And see, that PK was a full-blown PK. As soon as it happened, yes, Omar Atan, the referee, had to go and confirm because of the magnitude of today's game. And he came out and gave that PK to FAR Rabat. But guy, Domi, at that point, I never believed that Ronen Williams will save that. In my heart, it was more like, oh yeah, let this one enter. Sundowns go now and lock everywhere. But look at the left hand of Ronen Williams saving that ball. Ronen Williams, may your family be blessed. Chineke. Ronen Williams, you can now go. Let's celebrate you. Go. That is the hard work of a champion. That is the handwork of a goalkeeper that you know that, yes, he has had his tough times, but then you cannot forget history. His name is Ronen Williams. One-time number one in the whole of this continent.
That's it for Victor namhlanje. And coming from Landelwe Pirates, all I can say is congratulations to Sundowns, Bafethu. Congratulations to them. Very game to I was hate watching. And with him when as far it will penalty qala, I was like, yeah. But as he came hammer dog, then you realize we can't have a team like Rabat be champions of Africa, mfethu. Because Pala teams don't like they are better than Sundowns or they are better than the Pirates. No. They just happen to lose to the final. They just happen to find themselves in the final, and yeah. And to be honest, Sundowns, they really deserve it. As much as Pirates deserve the league, Sundowns deserve a star. For how many years have they been knocking like a wicket looking for a star? How many years? How many heartbreaks? Semi-final, final. And a player like Umkwena Bafethu, even though he plays for a rival club, he deserves to have a CAF medal or something like that. That guy plays. Umkwena Bafethu, and every time I watch Umkwena play, he gives it. Where's Nigela, bruh? We feel grounding, la. So, as much as good Sundowns will have it as well too, they deserve it, bruh. They deserve it. In fact, there's nothing I can say pretty much. Then, because it was the one thing as Paris we are the first team to win it star, but now Sundowns would be like we're the first team to win it as well too. What about Chiefs and team? But anything I tell you right now we have a lot of Chiefs fans hiding behind success of Sundowns. Like, hey, Sundowns won. What about your team, bruh? Talk about your team. But the sequel up of to congratulations to Sundowns and big shout out to QP. A lot of people couldn't want the man and the album down. Bruh, QP the dog. That guy with the broken shoulder. But I was sitting with my brother watching the game. I was like, Rabat, this guy is fucking injured. In the shoulder. Just a corner lapha because Cupid was stopping your king to be feel like Cupid I feel like we are not winning Sundowns the CAF because if Bega Ngeko it brings on you lapa. No saying Rabat based on penetrator because I only team penetrator like team crosser and yeah boy. Every time the better bola be Rabat I was like okay several crosser foot. Nangempela nanya cross useless motherfuckers. In the case issue, okay, it might be hard to win Champions League because of the things isn't my fans and things like that. But when it comes to ball and pitch, it's hard it's easier to win a Champions League than to win a league in between. Because with Champions League in between once or you like Al, you are done. Or you like Al in face or you like Sundowns, you might win it. You might actually win it. So now I'm first everything as it next season we can see ourselves going all the way to the semis or the quarters. If I know I'm exaggerate right now, but I can see ourselves in the semis. Like how we did with Rivero, because making it to the semis we kept is easier than winning any domestic cup like South Africa. Teams play football. About look diver. Baby, like PSL. So, hey, it's big shout out to Sundowns for finally winning their Star 7 field. And yeah, season iphelile bafethu. It was a wonderful season. It was a crazy season, a lot of ups and downs, but finally we conclude as Sundowns bangama champions of Africa, with Pirates being champions of South Africa. Yo, shout out to Sundowns bafethu.